Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so as you guys have already seen the thumbnail, this video is going to be about a DIY patches. Yes, there will be two types in this. The first one will be painting. So if you guys are good with painting, you can go for that. And the second one will be embroidery one. And if you guys are good in stitching and embroidery and stuff like that, you can go for that. But if you guys are super talented, then you can do both of them just like I did. Just kidding, guys. Actually, I'm also trying these patches for the very first time, and even I don't know how they will be turning out. Even I have all the hopes that they turn out to be very good and very good looking and very aesthetic to eyes, but I don't know how they will be turning out. Yes, so this is a sort of an experiment kind of video with you guys. So yes, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching this video. that's it for the video, guys. According to me, the panel look was okay. Yes, not very much that I liked or something, but as I said, it was an experiment video, so it was supposed to be like this only, I guess. But if you guys are really good in art and stuff, you could make way better patches by me, as I'm not very good in painting, as I already said. Okay, no issues. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, however it was. But I'll try to make it much better in near future. Yes. So also do let me know in the comment section how you liked it or not. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.